How to install Google Chrome in Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application. Make sure you're logged into your account over here as well, and then tap on the search bar. Here on the search bar, simply search for Google Chrome over here. And here you just have to install the application. As you can see, I have an update available for the application, so you can just tap an update and start updating the application over here. Now make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection to get the update process over here for the application. So let's wait for a while until it gets updated, and after it gets updated we'll be able to open the Google Chrome application on our device. So what you can simply do is just go back and then launch the Google Chrome application. So even in the Google Chrome application, make sure you're logged into your account so that you can have a history of the applications or different browsers that you dive into. So let's tap on open, and as you tap on open, you just have to make sure that you log into your account. You can use Google account or Gmail account or any other accounts over here, and then enjoy the services. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.